Our customers have acknowledged to us that they can struggle in transitioning from the early concept stages of a project into scoping and then executing a capital project to address those kinds of hazards. These projects are not the kinds of projects that they execute every day. They're trying to run their plants with smaller, less experienced staff who have a day job. Frankly, they get hung up, they get stuck at the end of the conceptual stage and not sure where to go from there to scope the job out to address those kinds of challenges.
So aeSolutions has a full suite of offerings in the safety lifecycle, from the PHA-LOPA aspect in the upstream design all the way through into the detailed engineering phase. You have the PHA-LOPA upstream and you've got the detailed design downstream. We take what the PHA-LOPA outputs, we massage it a little bit to get it into a more meaningful a list of safety functions, for example, and then we can take that through the conceptual design phase where it goes into SIL calculations and SRSs and cause and effects, and gets that into a package that can ultimately be handed downstream into the design phase. One of the things that we've seen a lot of our clients do is they'll do the PHA-LOPA and then they'll take that information and they'll essentially file it away and do very little else with that. And one of the challenges that we've seen is the SIS needs to be designed against that document. And so we can take that document either from an internal study or from a client and help pick it up and do the rest of the upstream engineering on it, where we identify, okay, what do your safety functions look like, how many sensors do you have, and get that into a more defined safety function that can ultimately be handed off to the design team.
We take our responsibility around these critical systems and risk reduction and risk mitigation very seriously as we deploy these systems to mitigate some pretty severe risks for our clients.